Hey, my name is Chris. I'm with Mobility Solutions, AffordableMedicalUSA.com. We're going to do a quick unboxing of the Merits P320. This is the Junior. It's a good chair. The reason why we don't sell as many of these as we used to is because the new day and age is a disassemble from the motor from the front. This one's going to come with a captain seat, and it can be disassembled. The heaviest part, 65 pounds. So I'll show you how that goes. It should it'll come on a freight. Should be an easy unboxing video. Brings back old times. So inside of here, you'll see the seat. You can get the seat in different sizes. I think you can get it in a 16-inch seat too, and even a van pan seat. So you can add a large to it, swing away joystick. There's your headrest. We'll pull that right out. We'll pull this out. So here's the seats. It's got a nice stitch to it. It doesn't recline, but it does have a swivel to it. That's Bella. Y'all heard her in the background. We have a store dog. And inside this box, you just open it up with your standard household scissors. I'm using a metal opener. It makes it easy. And so inside of here, you'll find the arm. So what makes this a little bit better than some of the other ones, that the arms are adjustable. It does have a captain seat. If someone can pick up 65 pounds, probably be a good one to go with. You can put the joystick on the right or the left. So inside of here, these just kind of go on like this. We'll show you all this in a minute. And these are adjustable in height. So I'm going to show you all that in a minute. So I'm just going to pull this stuff slowly out. You should have 2 of these and 2 of these armrests. This chair will last a long time. It really will. Merits is a true manufacturer of their products. They don't usually discontinue too much stuff. Come with a seat belt. I'll show you how that goes on. So I'm just kind of putting everything there in your manual. So we'll just put this to the side. In this white box, you'll have your joystick. And just be careful, just make sure you're real soft on and off with that. You'll have a charging port at the front, horn. And these don't fall off like the old ones did. And then let's get into it. Oh, there's one more other thing we'll point out to you. Oh, they've changed it up a little bit. It looks good. This will be your charger in this box. We have chapters, so if you want to go past some of this stuff, you can. You want to charge this thing all the way up when you get it before you use it, if you can. So you just unravel this, plug this right into here. Then you have a rocker switch on and off. And then you have a light indicator when it's charged. That light will be red when it's on, yellow when it's charging, and green when it's fully charged. So this plugs right into the joystick, which is right here. We'll just plug right into here. So there's 2 places to charge this. You can charge it through here, and you should be able to charge it through that battery pack I'm about to show you. So that makes it nice. This battery pack that comes out, there's 2 12-volt, 22 amp hour batteries, and you also have a charging port right into here direct. So it says it has about a 12-mile battery range. I think you'll get more than that. You'll probably get, you should get more than 12 miles. I would think about 15 with those batteries in this unit. This post can be adjusted in height. Specs are on the website. And you take this little black thing out, that's just covering up the terminal. So let's go ahead and pull this thing right out. Again, this is about 65 pounds. So it's manageable. Take this off. Take this wire. You're going to pull it out right here. I thought there's one more thing in this box. Okay, so you can change this from red to blue. There's some extra shrouds that comes with it. Here's the blue one. So these just pop right off the side. Okay, these are screwed on. So if you do have to change it, it's a little bit of work, but just let us know what color you want, red or blue, when you order it. Again, we're gonna put the battery right back in there, but we're gonna charge this thing up. Take your seat. Drop it right on here. Once you take this, seat's not too heavy, about 30 pounds. Take the seat right on here. And see how that swivels? So when you do that, you gotta make sure you loosen that. Back here, as you can see, it's got free wheel. So you can unlock the wheels and move it. That locks them so you can drive it. This unlocks it so you can move it. The back's pretty. They've redesigned it. I haven't seen the new redesign. I like it. We're gonna put this on the right hand. Got someone I think that wants it. The footrest comes down and up. There's no adjustments besides like the angle. You know, these tires won't go flat. They won't mark up the floor. But let's go ahead and start putting this together. So this is just going to slide right in like this, but you're going to have to loosen this up first. So in your manual it came with, there's some tools that comes with it. So let's open these up real quick. And you're going to loosen this up. If you want screw ends instead of these, just let us know when they call you when you order it that you'd rather have the armrest that you can take right off without the tool, so you can make it a little bit more compact in your car. So once you get that on there, and it can be changed to the left hand too, so you'll see a screw hole missing. You can either put this one on this side, whatever hand you are, this is where the thing goes into. So for this video, since this is going to be for someone, we'll put, and these are adjustable, and you just tighten it up at the height you want them. And they're flip backs, and they're width adjustable. Just loosen that and bring the width out. Repeat the process on the other side. Just takes a second. Besides, and then you'll just tighten it up real snug. Now the back's going to be sitting like it is, but if you want it to be back instead of 105, you want it more of a 90, more of an up, you have to just move these out. Or if you want it a 120, move it there. I probably wouldn't suggest that because it is a small power chair. You don't want too much lean back. That's why they're not giving you really manual adjustments, I guess. This does fold down though. And then you have a headrest. It goes right on here. That's adjustable in height too. So, oh, I messed up. So when you add this, when you add these, make sure you put the seat belt on like this. So the heaviest part on this is 65 pounds. Just put it in like that, but make sure you get it so it's not tangled up. Let me slide that right on. And you'll do that on the other side. I'm not going to do it for this. I'll do it after this video is done. And these can come in and out. And then the last thing you do is you take your joystick. You're going to bring it down here. You can use the other tool it came with. And you can make this longer or shorter. And you'll tighten that up. And then if you transfer off of this unit, you just have to make sure you run this wire. It'll come with zip ties. Just take this off. But you want to make sure once you get this connected, we don't usually do this until the person's ready. That just plugs right in. You want to make sure the arms can go up and down and don't zip tie these until you have that done. So besides that, it was a very easy install. It didn't take very long. Again, you want to charge it up overnight. They have these little Velcro things you use for the joystick. And then here's your charger. It plugs right into here. And then you can plug this into the wall and turn the rocker switch on. And when this light's green, it's fully charged. If you're not going to use it for a long time, make sure you take the battery out, charge it through there, and check on it once a month. So this is the P320 by Merits Healthcare, P320. It's a great little power chair, and it'll last you a long time. It really will. I have one we just did a repair on. He's had it for almost 10 years, so I think it's the first or second time he's brought it in. So we like this. If you have any questions about this unit, our number is 803-926-2224, or visit us online at affordablemedicalusa.com.